Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels audio sync issues. So very first thing you should do is just navigate to your settings and then go to your battery, wherever you have your battery settings here, and to make sure you're not on the battery saver. So as you can see in my case I have the balanced mode. I don't have battery saver enabled. Turn this off if you have it. Then next thing, navigate to apps or manage apps, search for Instagram in the list. Okay, go here and then just go ahead and clear data and press on clear cache right here. And then guys, also, don't forget that you should always enable high quality uploads. In order to do that, you go to settings here, go to, for example, type in quality, media quality, and choose upload at highest quality. And if none of these helps, just go ahead and open up your app store, or in my case, Play Store, right? Go search for Instagram, and then just reinstall it. Okay, so uninstall it and then reinstall it. Enjoy. If this helped, subscribe.